Hello guys, I hope you all are very fine. Today I will show you color lookup adjustment inside Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. I have already opened a beautiful small bird image which I have collected from Pixabay to demonstrate this adjustment. So you can access it from here. This is color lookup, also from layer panel, new adjustment layer, and also from here. So I am accessing it from here. After accessing color lookup, you can find this. This is 3D LUT file. This is the color lookup preset or 3D LUT. This is preset template. So actually this is come into Photoshop from the film industry, these 3D LUT files. So because no one can change any of the color mapping. So for this image you can see this is two strip look. If I click here, you can see this is now two strip look. Now if you press down arrow and it will be go for another 35 strip look. So in this way you can check and find which is best for your image. So this is teal orange plus contrast. This is very fine. So after selecting this 3D LUT file, what you can do, you can change the blending mode. So if I am selecting overlay, now you can see that is the before and that is the after. How contrasted, this is how contrast and details added to the image. You can try just make it opacity 0 and gradually increase it to find out the best suitable option for your image. So I am increasing it to 40% and this is fit for this image. So in this way you can use this adjustment layer color lookup to color mapping or remapping your image. So that is for this quick tutorials. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.